Hey friends! Welcome back to Mr. English Podcast. I'm Sophia, and today's video is your 5-minute English shadowing practice. Even if you're busy, walking, cooking, or just lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. Remember, this isn't just listening, it's real speaking practice. So open your mouth and speak with me. Shadow every line out loud, and don't skip or pause. Stay with me till the very end. Ready? Let's begin. Morning routine. Every day begins in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is open the curtains. I open the curtains and let the light in. Now you say it. I open the curtains and let the light in. Then I take a deep breath and stretch. Now you. I take a deep breath and stretch. Nice. Sometimes I don't want to get up. I think, just 5 more minutes. So I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Now you say it. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Then I finally sit up and check my phone. I check my phone for messages. Your turn. I check my phone for messages. After that, I go to the kitchen and drink a glass of water. Now you say it. I drink a glass of water. Then I make a cup of coffee. Say it. I make a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. Now you. I can't start my day without coffee. I grab a quick breakfast. Now your turn. I grab a quick breakfast. Sometimes I skip breakfast when I'm late. Now you say it. I skip breakfast when I'm late. Afternoon routine. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Now repeat. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Sometimes I bring food from home. Now you say it. Sometimes I bring food from home. Other days, I eat at a small cafe. Your turn. I eat at a small cafe. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. Now you say it. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. Sometimes I like quiet lunches. I listen to music while I eat. Now you. I listen to music while I eat. After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. Now you say it. I go for a short walk to feel fresh. Evening routine. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. Now you say it. I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. I focus on finishing my work. Say it. I focus on finishing my work. When I finally get home, I just want to relax. Now you. When I finally get home, I just want to relax. Awesome job, my friend. You just practiced describing a full day in English in only 5 minutes. That's real progress. The more you describe your own day in English, the more confident and natural you'll sound. Thanks for watching and practicing with me today. I'm Sophia, and this is Mr. English Podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. See you in the next one.